Hello, welcome to the tutorial of Indian vocal music. I'm Lipika, a devotee of Indian classical vocal instrument and dance. Today, we'll be knowing about an instrument named Tanpura, which is a very important Indian instrument in musical world. This instrument is used in Indian music to create a melody. It is said that sage Tambadu discovered this instrument and it is named after him. Means, first the name was Tambura. Then over the passage of time, it is evaluated to Tanpura. Tambura to Tanpura, following his name. Let's describe the instrument. This long wood is known as danda, made by jackfruit tooth or teak. This round part inside of which is hollow is known as tumba. This round part is known as tumba and this long wood is known as danda. This danda and this tumba, are joined together and this junction is known as gulu or kamar. So this is the junction of danda and tumba, is known as gulu or kumar. The thin wooden lid which covers the tumba is known as tabli. This thin wooden lid which covers the tumba is known as tabli. This part is known as tabli. In the middle of the tabli, there is a section like a bridge made by bone. It's called bridge. This is called the bridge. At the bottom end of tumba is a piece of wood with 4 holes called mogra or langot. This 4 round pieces of wood, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 round pieces of wood attached to the head of danda are known as kan or khoti. These 4 round pieces of wood attached to the head of danda are known as kan or khoti. 2 pieces of bones can be seen under the poles. The first one is known as oti and the second one is known as tadgahan. There are 4 holes in tadgahan through which these strings can reach the khoti or the kan. Just below the bridge, there are 4 beads attached. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each of them are called monka. The melody is tuned down the beats. The flat part above the bridge is called juari. Here is a piece of thread in the bottom of the string. We can fix the juari in melodious tune. We can fix up the juari in the melodious tune by using this thread. Let's learn how to tune the tanpura. There are 4 strings in the tanpura. First, second, third and fourth. The first string is made, the first string is made of either brass or steel. And the last string, which is comparatively thicker, is made of brass. And between the first and last, or first and fourth rather, these two strings are made of steel. So first string is made of either brass or steel. Second and third string are made of steel, and the fourth string, which is comparatively thicker, is made of brass. The first string is matched according to the melody used in the raga, like Pancham, Madhyam, Gandhar or Nishad. This first string is usually matched with Pancham. But if Pancham is not there in the raga, suppose Pancham is excluded in the raga, Pancham is omitted in the raga, then what to do? Then the first string will be tied with Madhyam, but Shuddha Madhyam. Remember, not Tibra Madhyam. So what we have learnt? If Pancham is not there in the raga, the first string or the Tanpura will be tied with Shuddha Madhyam. Now another question arises. If Pancham and Madhyam both are not there in the raga, then what to do? Then if the first string is made of brass, the Shuddha Gandhar tune will be tied in Tanpura. And if the first string is made of steel, Shuddha Nishad will be tied with the tune. So the first string will be tied, usually will be tied with Pancham. If Pancham is not there, then Shuddha Madhyam. If Shuddha Madhyam, Pancham both are not there in the raga, then either Shuddha Gandhar or Shuddha Nishad. In the case of brass made string, Shuddha Gandhar will be coming, and in the case of steel made string, Shuddha Nishad will be tied. Now second and third string will be tied with the Madhya Saptak Saraj, and the fourth, the thicker brass made this string will be tied with the Mandra Saptak Saraj. So first is either Pancham, Madhyam, Gandhar or Nishad. Second and third one is Madhya Saptak Saraj, and fourth one is Mandra Saptak Saraj. So suppose this is Pa, Pancham. Pa, Sa, Sa, second and third. Pa, Sa, 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 Pa, Sa, 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 Pa, Sa, 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 Pa, Sa, Sa, Sa. This is the tune structure of a Tanpura. Then you have to adjust the Juari by twisting the thread up and down. Suppose see the first one. Pa. This is Juari. This is the part with full Juari. Pa. Tune. Sa. Now I am using the second thread. This is the place. Now the third one. I am twisting the thread. This is the place. Now the fourth one. Ah have a deep sense of melody to tune your tanpura. Then only you can tune your tanpura properly. So you have to learn the process how to tune from your teacher or from your guru with love, affection and respect and nicely. So you will never forget that. Okay? And you have to practice, more practice, more practice. And you have to be under the supervision of your teacher. Then only you can learn, remember and enjoy the subject completely. Enough for today. See you in the following episode then. Goodbye.